Good morning, students. You know that we are going to continue our writing skills, and yesterday we have done the letter to the editor that was belong to the topic of the shortage or the scarcity of water in our locality, and today the topic is write a letter to the editor of a newspaper on reckless driving. Reckless driving is a very common problem of nowadays, so it must be very considerable. That's why we are writing a letter to the editor. That first of all, I have already mentioned the format right here. You will have to write the sender address. The sender address, it must be according to the question that was given to you. Then the date, you will mention the date just after leaving a line out there, and then the address of the receiver, then your subject, and then the salutations. Then your salutations. Students, I have already mentioned the format in my previous video. This time you are already learning the same format here. The sender address, the date, the receiver address, the subject and the salutations, and after that you will start the rest of the body of the letter, your main content. So I have started. It is high time that proper steps are taken. I hope you remember that yesterday we have started our content with the words, through the column of your steam newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of concerned authorities about the problem of, and this time today I am starting with these lines. It is high time that proper steps are taken to put a step to the reckless driving of cars in the narrow street of our thickly populated city. It means the high density of the population and some of the youngsters, and they are not very much careful about their driving. So what problem can arise here? I am reading the rest part of the body. Said it was what happened yesterday. Only yesterday a poor beggar very narrowly escaped being hit while crossing the street when a car came dashing along at a speed of about 90 kilometers an hour. It means now you are also sharing the experience, the virtual experience, what happened in front of you. That's why you are writing this letter, because you have seen yourself this one. Such reckless driving causes fatal accidents to the pedestrians and crossing the roads. It is true that regulation regarding the speed limit do exist, but unless the police is strict in enforcing them, what do the drivers care? The police seems to take little or no notice of the offenders. Consequently, car accidents are almost a daily occurrence because of the negligence of the police, and the people are not they are not very obedient to follow the rules of the traffic. So I hope the public, the worst sufferer, will bring pressure to bear upon the police to put a stop to the reckless driving before we have any more deaths due to accidents. So what do you want? We want that please consider my problem and give some space to my letter in your newspaper, so that the regarding authority, the concerned authority, law and order, they must take some very strict step very immediately to stop this problem. So student, this type of letter, it's very easy to apply, and you already have been done this type of letter in previous classes also, and it is very easy. Sender, date, receiver and the content, and after that your end of the letter you will do the complimentary clauses, the name, thanking you, the name of the and designation of the person who is writing this letter. So do practice of this letter. Tomorrow we will continue some other writing skills. Goodbye.